In the golden age of automotive design, the 1940s and 1950s brought forth some of the most elegant and luxurious sedans ever crafted. These rare models were more than just means of transportation, they were rolling works of art, blending craftsmanship, performance, and style in a way that has never quite been replicated. Built with precision and adorned with hand-finished details, these sedans represented the pinnacle of automotive prestige, attracting the wealthiest and most influential buyers of the time. Chrome accents gleamed under the sunlight, while sweeping fenders and flowing lines created a sense of timeless beauty that turned heads wherever they traveled. Under the hood, these machines often featured powerful straight-8 or V8 engines, delivering smooth yet commanding performance. Advanced engineering for their era meant effortless cruising at high speeds, with ride comfort that rivaled the finest of carriages. Interiors were a sanctuary of luxury, featuring genuine leather seats, rich wood veneers, and ornate instrumentation that spoke to an era when craftsmanship mattered as much as technology. Each control knob, stitch, and panel was meticulously designed, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and exclusivity. Owning one of these sedans was more than possession, it was a statement of success and refined taste. Limited production numbers and high purchase costs meant only a select few could experience them, making survivors today incredibly valuable to collectors. Many of these cars have found their way into museums or private collections, where they are preserved as icons of mid-century automotive excellence. They stand as reminders of a time when elegance was paramount and automobiles were built to be as beautiful as they were capable. The rare 1940s-50s luxury sedan remains a symbol of classic motoring, evoking nostalgia for an era of style, grace, and unmatched quality.